Acting Chairman of Pambai-led United National Liberation Front Manipur UNLF Moirangthem Nongyai today asserted that people are waiting for a true leader who can lead Manipur amidst the ongoing crisis. Moirangthem Nongyai said this while speaking in the 60th anniversary, which was organized by Central Headquarters of 2nd Brigade General Headquarters in Kakching, Kuno today. Speaking further, Nongyai maintained that Manipur, which excels in art and culture and which has over 2,000-year-old history, suffers from lack of capable leaders who can guide people during dark times. While commenting about multiple groups that operate in the state, Nongyai said differences among these myriad of organizations have not only created confusion to people, but have also failed in guiding the masses on the right direction. While highlighting the lack of plans and strategy among Meitei when defending against the atrocities of Kuki, who seem to be well organized and prepared, Nongyai stressed on the need for a true leader for the Meitei community. Speaking further about Pambai-led UNLF's agreement with Center, Nongyai said UNLF Pambai is not under suspension of operation. Rather, the group is on the process of peace talk through political dialogue. The acting chairman also strongly condemned the killing of innocent civilians in Jiribam district by Kuki militants while calling it as a war crime.
Aikoi punaya si ulang di nata pina ba punaya si asum mamakai ke mata China ka sakka jawa adu ba leadership waktu ke dimam se kadai dono kada mapum dawa di dono ai do sine kodi define to mapum da re se leadership wali mapum si se mapum khudi matna aikoi na nasi thele ko lan se kada mapum ke lan no ai ko ta ga di aikoi si war na te war di concept se khud amata lite aikoi di thele ko lan se battle fight now. War is politics, politics is war, I would say. I go to Masi concept, I'm not a detail. I don't know what I'm going to say. My own Masuna, right direction, Amada, I could give me out a Pugong there. Sina Maramada, Niam Sekai, what again, I will say, Kande, to be the winner of the Topanel. Can you know, leadership at the winner? And I call it Amutan Puzan as he cannot come upon the Canada Legasunu. Other Puzan, Puna Topton, Erasmus, the Puna Topton, I say, UNLF Apiri. Like that, can my house is